Right-click the ID column and select Rename Field. You will rename the field Business Analyst Number. Now you will need to change the data type of this field. Navigate to the Table Tools field and select Text from the drop-down menu. To change the field size, you will go to the Field Size text box, delete 255 and type in 2. Click the Names and Caption button to open the dialog box. Type the name as Business Analyst Number and the caption as BA Number. Type the description as the following. You fill in the rest of the field using the techniques you just used. Refer to Table 1.3 for the data type and field size. Fill in the following information. Adjust the Business Analyst Number field by double-clicking its boundary. Then close the table. Click Yes in the dialog box. Click on the Create tab and click on Table Design. Type client number in the field name box. Make sure the data type is selected as text. Click on the primary key button. Now you will type in the description for this field as the following. Now you will edit the field properties by changing the field size to 4 and making the caption CL number. Using the same techniques, you will fill in the rest of the fields while using Table 1.5. Now you will save the table and rename it Client. Close the table. Now you will import the Kamas-Halley Client Data Workbook from Excel. Click on the External Data tab and click on Excel. Click on Browse and locate the appropriate file. Select Append a copy of the records to the table and select Client from the drop-down menu. Click Next. Open the navigation pane and right-click on the Client table. Click Open. Double-click each of the boundaries to fit the data accordingly. When you're done, close the table. Click on the Create tab and click on the Query Wizard button. Make sure Simple Query Wizard is selected and click Next. Now you will add fields to your query by selecting it and clicking the Add Field button. You will do this for client number, client name, amount paid, current due, contract hours YTD, and business analyst number. Once you are done, click Next. Ensure that Detail is selected and click Next. Right-click Client Query on the navigation menu and open it in Design View. Click the Criteria row in the Business Analyst Number column of the grid and then type 14 as the criteria. When done, click the View button and display the table in Data Sheet View. Click No on the pop-up menu. Now you will make a form out of the database you just created. Open the Create tab and then click on the Form button. Display the form in Form View by clicking the button on the Access status bar. Click the navigation arrow 3 times to go to the 4th page. Once done, click the Save button on the Quick Access toolbar and save it as Client Form. Close the form and select the Client table on the navigation pane. Then click the Report button under the Create tab. Click the Save button and save it as Client Financial Report. Right-click on the title and rename it as Client Financial Report. Next, while holding down the Shift key, select the headings Street, City, State, and Postal Code. Click the Select Column button under the Arrange tab, and then press the Delete key. Double-click the CL heading and rename it as Client Number. Select the bottom right corner of the client number boundary and drag it as shown. You will do the same for the Business Analyst Number column. Click on the Amount Paid field heading and select Sum under the Totals shortcut menu. You will do the same for the Current Due and Hours YTD columns. Move the page number so it doesn't touch the rightmost dotted boundary. Click on the File tab and select View and Edit Database Properties. Type in the properties as shown.